Hi there, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to show you how versatile the digital airbrush can be. This Boston Terrier image was created with only changing size and opacity of the airbrush in ArtRage Vitae. It's available in earlier versions also. As you can see, I started with a tracing of the image, which I downloaded from pixabay.com. From there I started on the eyes. I always like to start on the eyes and nose first when painting animals. Of course, beak and eyes for birds. I sampled the colours from the reference, and it's surprising how what seems white in the photo is not always as white as you think. I'll speed up this part, as it is mainly refining and finishing small areas, which would be too boring to watch. I added a background and I think it looks quite good. I hope you do too.